Hey folks, so Mr. Quinn here. We're going to do a quick talk through video. We have a skill on measuring using an inch ruler. Going to be a nice review for everybody. We're going to start by learning with an example. You're going to have the ability as you go through this lesson today to manipulate your ruler to measure. And if we look at the key idea, it says to measure with a ruler, line up the left end of the object with the 0 mark on the ruler. Whether you've had tech ed or any other course this year that involves that type of being precise, attending to precision, you need to make sure that you are doing that. And then we can also see that our rulers are usually marked with 1/2 inch marks or 1/4 inch marks or even 1/8 inch marks. So if I look at this ruler up here, I can see I go from 0 to 1 and there's 1 mark in between, so I can realize that that's a 1/2. If there was another mark here, that would be a 1/4, and another even smaller mark, that would be an 1/8. So if I line up my ruler to the edge of this nail and look at where this matches up, it's 2 inches long. So let's go through a couple of examples. We're going to start by moving our ruler, and you can see what I love about this IXL lesson is that it's actually makes the ruler a little bit transparent. So you can line up the 0 on top of this object, in this case the sword, and I can see that it goes to 3 inches. So I can type 3 and my units of measurement are already there for me. So let's do another one. Gonna line it up. I can see over top of it 0. It goes right about to 2. So we're gonna say that that is 2 inches long. All right, now we're going to jump a level. Let's take a look at what this skill looks like as we get into some more challenging questions. So now it says to move the ruler to measure the length of the nail to the nearest 1/4 of an inch. So we're going to measure, line up at 0, and we're going to see that our nail goes to that 1/4 inch mark right there on my ruler, all the way to right there. So I have 2. I'm going to start with that as my base. And then here is a 1/2. There's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. And I need to convert that into a decimal. So I have 2.75. And I can submit that as correct. So I hope this tutorial helps you out. You can watch it a couple of times. If you have any questions, shoot me an email.